The best way to become popular is to make people want to be around you, which is why you should concentrate your efforts especially on your friendships. If you already have a group of colleagues, the best way is to turn this group into a group of friends. After all, people want to be around those who make them feel good. So becoming a better friend can bring you a better social life, thus making you more popular. That is why in this video, we will explain in a few steps how to become a popular person, or in other words, how to become a better friend. Listen until the end for you to be able to rank up in the friendship game. Hi and welcome to the new you. I'm Dr. Robert Martinez. I have dedicated my career as a PhD in human behavior to studying and researching the complexities of the human mind and emotions. Throughout my years of experience, I have gathered numerous tips and strategies that have proven to be effective in improving mental and emotional well-being. I have seen firsthand the positive impact these techniques can have on individuals and their daily lives. Join us on this journey of self-discovery and growth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. We would love to hear from you. First, we need to ask ourselves, what does it mean to be a good friend? It might seem like a simple question, but the answer is not always straightforward. It seems that everyone has their own definition of what makes a good friend. For some people, being a good friend means being there for someone when they need you the most. For others, it means listening to them and respecting their opinion. And for others still, it means doing things together and having fun with them. While there are many ways to be a good friend, we have put together this list of ways that you can try out if you want to become an even better one. Number 1. Be a good listener. Being a good listener is one of the most important skills. It is a skill that can make your life much easier and help you get what you want out of life. If you are a good listener, people will feel comfortable talking to you. They will trust you, and they will be more likely to share with you their thoughts and feelings. You can use what they tell you to make decisions or solve problems. And people will enjoy being around someone who listens well, because it makes them feel important, respected, and understood. There are many ways that we can be better listeners. For example, we can listen with an open heart and mind. We also can be calm and attentive. It is important to ask questions when you don't understand something. Try to use your intuition to understand what the other person is feeling. The second tip that we have for you is show empathy and acceptance. Empathy is one of the most important skills in life. In order for someone to care about you, you have to show them that you care about them. In order to show empathy and acceptance, we need to be willing to listen and be open-minded. We should also take a look at our friends' lives from their perspective, instead of always thinking ourselves first. Here are some tips on how to show empathy and acceptance. Really listen to people without interrupting them or judging them. Respect their feelings and thoughts as much as you want others to respect yours. Care for them without expecting anything in return. The third thing you can do to be a better friend is accept your friends for who they are and don't try to change them. Accepting people for who they are and not trying to change them is a key factor in healthy relationships. It is important to note that this does not mean you should never tell your friends when you think they are doing something wrong. You can still be honest with them, but it should be done in a loving way. It is not easy to be honest with your friends, but it is worth it. If you want to be a good friend, you will need to learn how to tell the truth. This can be hard because it might hurt their feelings or make them angry, but they will appreciate your honesty and they will respect you more in the long run. The best thing that you can do for your friends is talk positive about them and really try to understand them better. You should also try not to complain too much, because this can make people feel bad about themselves, and they might think that they are not as good as you seem like they are. The last tip we have for you is Be there for them when they need you and when they're happy. Friendship is a powerful thing. It can be the difference between someone who is happy and fulfilled and someone who isn't. And it's not just about being there for them when they need you, but also when they're happy. The best friends are those who are there for you when you need them, and even when you don't. They will cheer up your day with their jokes, encourage you to go out and do things, listen to your problems without judging or criticizing you, help you move house or find a new job, give you a shoulder to cry on if needed. In short, they will be there for you unconditionally. If you follow these steps to become a better friend, you will certainly attract more people to you, and consequently you will be a more popular person. Of course, there are more things you can do to become popular, which is why we have prepared a sequence of videos that will help you better navigate the society we live in. That's all for now. If you liked this video, please hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment letting me know what you thought. See you soon.